Ilang sugo khajani ta kuptai bukuk sona risha TV news habanok ni bisintei ang tongo norok ni logyo sampli jamatia naitong li joya kare tini mangpli ni bisintei
প্রথম পান্নাকে জয়নিং প্রোগ্রাম সিপিএম নি 5 families BJP ni 4 families borok total 25 voters omo Bolram ADC village partly Damsara Kochusara ni ADC constituency ukalayo partly Kulai Champahan ukalayo go jaga tabu Bolram senior basic school oro sini taku kahamte buku kaham borok bubograni je thansani chobawo borok tini join khaika sini prasani hayungo kathangke tongnani khorok tisawi osobono strengthen khayani krasku khayan baginai sini takurok tini sini pramotho join khaika bubograni ingi singborno khabai khoi lamsoka borok tinin sini family ni member sini sukdo dofani hamkrai nibagi borok sini chobawo borok tinin sini borok yapri seka borono sing khabai khoi lamsogo bonbagi sing tini oro tino program khaimani asal kok ambai